Introducing the ATC-100 Portable Torque Tester, a compact and versatile tool designed to revolutionize your torque testing needs. This advanced tester from AIMCO URYU packs a multitude of features into a small portable package, making it an essential addition to any assembly or quality control workstation. The ATC-100's versatile mounting design simplifies testing for both pistol and inline tools, accommodating a wide range of applications with ease. Precise simulation of application joint characteristics is made possible with the inclusion of bevel washer joint kits, ensuring accurate and reliable testing results. The user-friendly Auditor Series menu structure allows for quick and easy startup, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. With a bidirectional accuracy of 1% of the indicated reading within the top 90% of full scale, the ATC-100 delivers precise and consistent torque measurements. The tester offers 8 available engineering units, including AUS-in, LB-in, LBFT Newton meters, CNM, KGFCM, GFCM, and KGFM, providing versatility for various applications. Invest in the ATC-100 Portable Torque Tester and experience precision, versatility, and reliability in your torque testing applications. Its compact size, intuitive interface, and comprehensive features make it an indispensable tool for assembly and quality control professionals.